Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to replace a broken rope on your puller. So to remove it, you just unwind it completely as much as it can and you just pull it out from here. You cut the end, of course. The next thing you're going to do is let this rewind itself, but don't let it rewind too fast, because that's when the spring tends to want to get all messed up or jump out or whatever. So you just keep a bit of force on it. You take the old rope and the new one, you try to get the same length. It's okay if you don't get the same length, and this one is just a rope that you can purchase from your hardware store, so nothing fancy. You want to burn the end so that it doesn't split up. Next, you will try to locate the two holes. So you have a hole here and a hole here. This is where it comes out. So you line those two. You insert the new cord. You make a knot or two. So like this. And I like to double it up. On the smaller ones you can't really do that, but on these larger ones you have a lot of room there, so you can just make two knots. This is going on a large machine, an earth tamper, so it's gonna get a lot of abuse, so I just tie it double so that it doesn't come out. Next, you're going to just wind it up clockwise all the way. And let me just undo this little knot I made earlier. So that we get the full length of rope back. This was measured out. And after you have wound it up completely, you will see that the spring is already working, but you have this large amount of rope hanging out, right? So you can do this in two ways. You can cut your rope a little bit longer and then pull it out. Cut it off right here, put your handle on and tie it like that with a longer rope. Or if it happens the way it happened for me, the other thing you can do is you just twist it until all of the rope is inside. You grab it with your pliers and you just turn it counterclockwise until you feel resistance. So right now I'm seeing that it wants to pull almost the entire length of rope inside. So we just one more roll of the rope. So at this point it's just perfect. So you just go the other way once. Okay, you feed the rope through this and you tie a knot or two. This will also be based on how thick your rope is and how much room there is in there. I will just put two knots here as well, if I can. No need to over tighten this, because as you pull it's gonna get tighter and tighter, and you just want to make sure that you burn off the little bristles from here so that the wire stays on. Let's test it. That's us.